Hey guys, and welcome back to Living with Chanel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need white cornmeal, the coarse version, and some maize flour, and then water. I'm bringing my water to boil, and of course a spatula or something to use to turn. Stir until you get a thick consistency, and then you're gonna be careful here because this is gonna start boiling. As you can see, you reduce the fire, and this is when you're gonna add your maize flour. Go fast because you do not want it to have little balls in it. You need to cook it right away. Add the water. You're gonna do this non-stop because if you don't do it right, you're gonna get those little balls, and you do not want those little balls. So I can feel that my consistency is still too thick because it's heavy. I'm going to just add water, leave the water from medium to low, just let it cook 2 minutes. This actually has to cook. If not, you're going to have that raw maize taste, and you do not want that. Okay, so that sound means you need to come back and stir it again. It hasn't been 2 minutes, it's been only 1 minute. I'm going to go ahead and stir this slowly. I'm going to turn slowly until the water pretty much disappears, and then you're going to go faster. So I'm just going to turn it, reduce the fire if you need to low. And I like my couscous soft. If you don't like yours soft, don't put too much water because when it cools down it gets hard anyways, so that's why I like it soft. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold your spatula this way, and you're just gonna bring it forward to you. So just slowly like that. I'm gonna go faster. Turn, bring it towards you. Turn, bring it towards you. Turn, bring it towards you. That's what you're gonna do. Twist it, twist it, twist it. And you're going to bring that forward to you. I'm going to add a little bit more water. So I like mine really soft. I'm going to let that cook a little bit more. I'm going to turn one more time and we'll be ready to serve. When it's showing, it's giving you those that's when you know you did it right. Empty bowl, a bowl with water, and your container wherever you're going to be placing this. So first I am going to go ahead and cut the clean paper. what you do is you're going to dip the spatula into the water. This is going to help prevent this from sticking to it. See that? Just going to dip that, get the quantity that you need. Bring it together. Like that. You're just going to twist it a little bit. Don't twist it too tight. And then you have one. Is that if you're not going to consume this right away, let's say you're cooking it for like a party or you're going to eat it after 4 hours, you wrap it this way and then you wrap it into an aluminum foil to keep it warm for a longer period of time. We're actually going to eat this tonight, so I'm not going to worry about that, and I'll let it cook just a little bit before I put it into the aluminum foil to keep it for tomorrow. You can keep this into a fridge for a few days. Don't forget to comment, like and share below if you enjoyed this video and if you are interested in more videos. Thank you.